The Latin New Car Assessment Program, Latin NCAP, conducted crash testing of the Mitsubishi Outlander, achieving notable results. The tests, conducted in December 2022, initially focused on the internal combustion engine version of the Outlander, which was the only version available in the Latin American and Caribbean regions at that time. This model achieved an impressive 5-star rating. Further updates from Latin NCAP extended this 5-star rating to the plug-in hybrid version of the Mitsubishi Outlander, underscoring the vehicle's consistent performance across different powertrain configurations. The Mitsubishi Outlander's crashworthiness was thoroughly evaluated in several categories. The SUV received a good rating in tests for small overlap front on both the driver and passenger sides, moderate overlap front side crash, roof strength, and head restraints and amp seats. This comprehensive assessment covered various aspects of crash safety, reflecting the vehicle's robust design and safety features. In addition to crashworthiness, the Outlander also excelled in crash avoidance and mitigation. The vehicle's standard front crash prevention system was rated superior, indicating an advanced capability to prevent or mitigate front-to-vehicle collisions. Furthermore, the Outlander's headlights, available across all trims, were equipped with LED reflector type for both low beam and high beam. These headlights, however, were not curve adaptive, but did include high beam assist, contributing to the vehicle's overall good rating in this category. These results from Latin NCAP and the additional ratings highlight the Mitsubishi Outlander's strong safety performance, both in terms of protecting passengers during a crash and in preventing accidents from occurring in the first place. The Outlander's comprehensive safety features and consistent performance across different tests and versions make it a noteworthy choice for safety-conscious consumers in the Latin American and Caribbean markets.